Hi everyone, we're here at John Sadler's Auto Repair. And today we're working on a 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And we're making this little video to show my friend Sam's dad that's what's going on with your passenger front window. So here's what's going on. There's a cable that goes up, that works to the motor, that works up to the regulator, and what's happened is the cable's broken. And how we know that is that the motor runs when I have power to it, and then the window's still hooked up to the track, and as I raise it up and down, you can still see the window moves up and down. It's still on the track, but the cable broke. So just making this quick video to let you know that your daughter's car is in good hands. Have a great day.